Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to prepare Bluevine reports for tax filings. When tax season comes, Bluevine makes it easy to pull the right reports, and here's how to prepare them. First, log into your Bluevine account and navigate to the reports section. Then, choose the time frame that matches your tax year, typically January 1st through to December 31st. Now, generate key reports such as transaction history, income summaries, and categorized expenses. Once that's done, export these reports as CSV or PDF files for easier sharing with your accountant or tax software. Double check that income streams are properly categorized, especially if you use sub-accounts for taxes, payrolls, or profit allocations. Be sure to save a copy of these reports in a secure folder for your personal record. Provide the exported files to your accountant or upload them directly into tax softwares like TurboTax or QuickBooks. This ensures that you have clean, accurate data ready for tax filings. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.